How to update Grand War 4 manually. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech4Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your Grand War 4 game manually. So the first thing to do is to open your Google Play Store or your App Store, and in the search bar type in Grand War 4. Once you find this application in the search result, go ahead and look if there is an update button available instead of play. If you see update button, tap on it to immediately download the latest version of the app. If you don't see the update button, it means you already have the latest version running itself. You can also turn on the auto update feature for the application. Simply go to the top right and click the three dots. Make sure you've checked this enable auto update box so that the application updates automatically whenever a new update is available for the game. So like that, you can easily update your Grand War 4 game manually and enjoy the latest release, bug fixes, and get performance improvement for the app. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.